Hello viewers, Amit Makati here. I am good teacher and all of you are also good. At present on this channel of YouTube, we are running a series of unitary method. In the previous video, we were using this cartoon where the vegetable vendor was shouting 5 kg for rupees 60 and the girl in this cartoon could not calculate the price of 3 kg vegetables. We solved this problem as following. Since 5 kg vegetable is equal to rupees 60, therefore 1 kg vegetable is 60 upon 5, that is equal to 12 rupees. Therefore 3 kg vegetable is equal to 12 into 3, that is rupees 36. Now let us change the situation. Let us change the question in the mind of girl. Now she is not able to calculate that in 15 rupees how much vegetables she can buy. How this new calculation in the mind of girl can be solved? Actually, this is the problematic question of this video. The topic of this video is unitary method problems. The opening statement of the previous day solution is, since 5 kg cost is equal to rupees 60. Now my question is to you is, from where did we get this opening statement? And as we know, from the problem itself. Right, the vegetable vendor was shouting 5 kg for rupees 60 and we made his shouting the opening statement of the first solution. However, the situation has changed now. The girl in the cartoon now wants to calculate that in rupees 15 how much vegetable can be bought. The previous opening statement will not work here. Actually, what I want to share here, that drafting the opening statement is very key for unitary method. If you can draft the opening statement properly, then rest of the solution is very easy. If you want to learn unitary method properly, you must first learn to draft the opening statement. With some practice, you can learn how to draft the opening statement. See here the statement of the vegetable vendor. Take 5 kg for rupees 60. It needs to be changed. Same statement of the vegetable vendor can be said in a different way. Right? The same statement has been said here, rupees 60, take 5 kg. This statement is quoting the same price as the vegetable vendor is quoting, but the order of the figures has been reversed. In cartoon, vegetable vendor is shouting, take 5 kg for rupees 60. And we have, for the purpose of solution, changed his statement in rupees 60, take 5 kg. This technique of reversing the order in the problem is very important to learn. And if you learn this, when and how to change the order, you can be an expert in unitary method. Now let us solve the problem. Since in rupees 60 we get equal to 5 kg. Therefore, in rupees 1 we get equal to 5 upon 60. Therefore, in rupees 15 we get 5 upon 60 multiplied by 15. 15 will cancel 16 4 times. We get 5 upon 4 kg, which is nothing but 1.25 kg. You can do the exercise attached with this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.